So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually run through the Dstv installation with it and proceed with a step 1 of 5. Maybe you have 10 on your decoder for the first time. It's a new decoder that you need to scan it and run through the installation with it and activate it, or maybe you have just reset it to factory defaults and you need to run through the installation with it, scan to get back your channel list. All you got to do on this page is to select the preferred language. We have English and Portuguese, so all you got to do is to proceed with your preferred language. We're gonna go with English, so you press OK on it. And when you come to the second step, we have the satellite option. So with the satellite, we have some countries listed on the IS36 and then the IS20 page. You have Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So if your country name have been listed or have been mentioned on this page, you need to select the IS20 or the IS36, and you're good to go. And if you can't find your country name over here, the rest of Africa, you need to select the E36B or the E36C and you proceed. So you press OK and then you proceed to the step 3. And when you come to this step or this page, you move down to the manual setup and you press OK on it. And on the step 4, we have the LMB type. LMB type, if you are using a Dstv extra decoder, you need to select the LMB type to be a unique cable TM/SAT-CR. And if you install your Dstv Zapper HD decoder with a smart LMB or maybe a smart switch using the unique cable port, you need to change the unique cable, the LMB type here, to the unique cable TM/SAT-CR. But normally they're going to use a universal LMB to install, so you need to leave it as a universal LMB type. And then you put it on the scan option. If the tuner status over there on the right side of the page doesn't show anything, it actually indicates that there is no signal from your satellite dish, and it may be that you have choose the wrong LMB type. So you can change the LMB if it's a universal and the signal is not showing over there. You can change it to the unique cable and then you check whether those blue tip has indicates showing that you're having a signal, and then you leave it at the unique cable. But normally if it's a Zapper decoder, they want to use a universal to install. So if it's an extra, that's where you need to use the unique cable TM/SAT-CR LMB type. So you select the universal, checking at the right side of the page that the signal status have filled up, indicating that you're having a signal to run through the scanning process. If there is no signal, you can proceed from this step. That's the step 4 or 5. So you come down to the scan option and you press OK on it to proceed with the scanning. So here all you got to do is to wait for the scanning to complete, and then you get access to the channel list. And if it's a new decoder, you need to call Dstv customer care representatives for them to activate it for you. And they're gonna request for the decoder IUC number or the smart card number. And you're gonna find the smart card number at the back of your decoder. They used to put some white stickers over there that have the IUC number or the smart card number. So you call them and they will do the activation right there for you. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you're new here, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite.